All right, so what we have here is a Nexpow 4000 peak amps jump starter. Safety protection, it says, and it's powerful. I'm guessing this, it says Q11, version 11 maybe? Anyway, well, let's see what we got. Looks like a USB-C charging cable. I don't see a charging block. I guess that's okay. All right, DC adapter. Some manuals. Nexpow support, nexpow.com, and looks like a toll-free number. That's cool. Now, I have not read the manual. I should, but I haven't. Nexpow quick guide, and some shortcuts here, how to jump start a car, and jumper, clamp, indicator. All right, seems easy enough. All right, let's see what we got here. I would say these are heavy-duty clamps. And let's see, a rubber cover, looks like. All right, some indicators there, I guess to let me know that the thing is ready to jump start, I'm guessing without reading the book, but it should be too hard to figure out. Now I notice, yeah, this will just plug in one way. You can see here, there, maybe, that one side is squared off. Let's see, right there, right under my nose, that one there, it's squared off, the other side is a full circle. So that's so it only goes in one way into the power adapter. Okay, pull this powerful thing out. All right, so, all right, 4,000. Not too heavy. All right, power button. All the lights are on. I'm guessing that's percentages, and that tells me that it is a full charge. Yeah, that's percentages on there, up to 100%. I see that part. Okay. Some specs in the back. USB 1, USB 2, Type-C input, DC output 12 volts. And, flashlight. Let me hit the power button. No, hit it again. Let me push and hold power button. Okay, there we go. So, not blinding light, but it's nice. Let's see. So how do we shut that off? Power button again. Oh, it's flashing, a strobe. Oh, is this SOS? So is that like 3 flashes, 3 dots and 3 flashes? SOS strobe, I think. Anyway, all right, so hit the power button again. Oh, a quick flash strobe. Okay, hit it again, and it goes off. Okay, well that's cool. Let's see. All right, that's where the alligator clamp adapter plugs in. You can see there on the right side, it is squared off. All right, remove the other, slide off the other rubber cover. Looks like a US 3.0, USB 3.0, a standard USB, DC out, and the USB-C charging port. And that's it. This looks like it's fairly simple to use. Once you fully charge, it looks like it came in fully charged. Handle, and flap here. So, nice little soft shell carry case. So, well, if I had a dead battery to test, I would test it right now. I bought this because I bought something before. I think it was rated less than 1,000 amps, and that thing could not jump start a Grasshopper, at least not a 6-cylinder engine. This, I believe, is rated to jump start diesel engines. So I'm guessing this will be powerful enough. From the quick research I've done with this should be plenty. I think these start at 1,500 amps up to 6,000. You really want to get something that's at least 1,000 or more to jumpstart a dead battery, but this is rated 4,000, so I guess this should be okay. So the next time I have a dead battery, or a friend of mine has a dead battery, I'll use this and I'll give you an update, but I don't suspect there'll be any issues. I'm not sure how long this will stay charged. These type of lithium packs, I guess a long time if you keep them out of the extreme cold. That's my guess. But overall, I like the fact that it's very easy to use. Nexpow. These start at about $100 on Amazon. I'll have a link for this below in the show notes. If you have one of these or something similar and would like to share your thoughts, please do in the comments below. All right, Nexpow 4000 amp battery jumper, available on Amazon. Take care.